This is the high-tech, all-electric Genesis GV60. Standard equipment on the GV60, Hill Start Assist Control, helps prevent the vehicle from rolling backwards when starting from a complete stop while on an incline. The system automatically engages when you release the brake pedal and will hold the brakes for approximately 2 seconds. This system can hold the brakes for up to 5 seconds if the accelerator is slightly pressed during Hill Start Assist Control operation. This system will automatically release the brakes after 2 seconds, or when the accelerator pedal is pressed normally. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.